Welcome back. For a long time I have been searching for a cheap DIY power bank that can use to charge my laptop and finally found one in AliExpress which claims to have 100W output with 20V 5A, the exact voltage for a USB-C laptop to charge efficiently or in case or emergency. Out of curiosity, and it was easy to open, I opened the charger to peek inside to know how compact the electronics are packed in this tiny charger. And doesn't looks like there much going inside here, as there is only a few components, and sure it can be at a charger or QC 3.0, but sure not with the 20 volt by 5 ampere output. I also tried to find the data sheet of the IC but couldn't find any. Let's test the actual outputs of our cute little friend with a USB tester, also known as USB Doctor. Connecting negative to negative terminal and positive to positive terminal, it's sure that there is no room for mistake as there is no any protection circuit on the input side. Wrong polarity will instantly fry the board, I think. I noticed that the normal output 5V doesn't vary much when I change 13 volt to 18 and below 13 volt. Let's first test the 20 volt at 5 amp claim with my laptop's DIY USB charger. For details on how to add USB-C charger on any laptop, subscribe my channel and browse my videos, as I have already uploaded a video modding my laptop. Test failed. Let's try with another cable, because the yellow cable came with my Poco F3 GT when on its original charger. Triggers 67 max charging, but will not trigger with any other cables, so let's check and find out. Of this cable also doesn't help, sure this is not compatible for 20 volt output. On high voltage or current supporting cables to trigger that there will be an extra connection on the USB cable, as you can see here in this cable, the fifth leg on USB a port. That leg is not available on the charger unit, confirming it cannot communicate to output high voltage or current, and maximum will only be 3.0 quick charge. Without wasting time, let's see within its capacity what is the maximum we can get. This is a power bank with MI 10,000 amp power bank circuit or module. It does support quick charge and discharge, so LTS check with it. And, yes, it does support QC 3.0 charging 9 volt at 2 amp, and that's quite impressive, because it was triggering turbocharge on MI device that normal 3.0 base chargers doesn't do. And on my Poco F3 GT with turbocharging triggered with 4 amps or 3600 plus milliampere, as said before, that's impressive considering it's a travel charger. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing to my channel, like and share. Its bottom steel or whatever the element is, conducting positive, and top portion conducting negative, and separated with a small plastic thread-like piece in between, so if it overheats inside your car 12V socket and shorts, maybe the fuse will blow or burn your car. Joking.